Is it going?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the video to show how to put on the decal onto the wrestling headgear. And the things that you're going to need are some application fluid. I'm using Rapid Tack, but you can use soap and water mixture, which is 32 ounces of water to 1 to 2 drops, more like 2 drops of Palmolive liquid soap. And then you need some paper towel. So first step is to rip you off a few pieces of paper towel, and then you're going to want to clean the wrestling headgear and get any dirt and oil that might be on there or whatever, grime. And then just try to get all your fuzzies off there from your paper towel. And then what you're going to want to do is just peel your decal off of the backing. And you're going to want to take and spray the back of the decal and the headgear liberally, so you should use a lot of it. And then just lay it down there and try to get it in the correct spot. You can line it up with the holes on the headgear. And it's not gonna stick because that application fluid prevents it from forming a bond yet. So now the next step, after we get it on there in a fairly good spot, then we start using the heat gun. Oh yes, we also need the heat gun too, I forgot to mention that. And you're going to want to start in, one of these spots up here, one of these arms, and just start with your hottest heat setting, like about 6 inches up from it, and let it get a little hot. You can see the texture on the sticker get a little soft, and then you start with your thumb, start squeezing from the middle out, and you're squeezing that application fluid out, and you're also getting, forming the bond. And the heat also activates the adhesive as well. So, and if you see any wrinkles or anything, you just lift it back up and put it back down. And try to work from the middle out, because that's how you get all the wrinkles out. It's a little hot, so might have to take a small few second break in there, but try to keep it going as fast as possible because that stuff's evaporating on the back. And you can add more if you need to, but it's good to try to get it done fairly fast. A wrinkle there. Then you might have spots around the the edges that you'll have to go back and heat up a little bit and bring down with your finger. Don't let it get too hot. And if it does get a little too hot, just let it cool down. And so you'll see around the outer edges that you gotta heat it up and kind of massage it into place. That's basically it right there, and I already did the other side, but that's about it.